Hey everyone, want to improve AI responses in NotebookLM? In this video, I'll show you how to get more accurate, detailed, and useful answers from NotebookLM step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and open your notebook. Next, make sure your notebook contains high-quality and relevant sources. I mean, better source material usually helps NotebookLM provide more useful responses. Before asking questions, organize your documents clearly and remove any outdated or unnecessary files. Now create specific prompts instead of asking general questions. Clearly explain what information you need and what type of answer you want. For example, ask NotebookLM to summarize a section, compare two documents, extract key points, explain a concept, or create a structured report. Next, add context to your questions by mentioning your goal, audience, preferred format, or level of detail. Use follow-up questions to improve responses. Ask NotebookLM to expand explanations, provide examples, simplify complex topics, or focus on specific sections. Request organized formats such as bullet points, tables, timelines, checklists, or step-by-step guides to make information easier to understand. Always review the source citations and compare important details with your original documents. Save your best prompts and question formats so you can reuse them for future research, learning, or business projects. Finally, continue refining your workflow by testing different prompts and improving how you interact with NotebookLM. And that's how to improve AI responses in NotebookLM. By using better sources, clearer questions, and smarter prompts, you can get more accurate and valuable insights from your documents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.